So before we get into this video, I just quickly want to apologize for my energy in this video, y'all. I was going through it. I was not feeling well. I didn't sleep the night before, so I apologize. I already moisturized my face, so the next step really before I put this wig on, I'm going to be cleaning my skin with some 91% alcohol. Please guys, do this. It's going to help the application a lot better, especially if you have oily skin. Okay, so essentially the next step that I would go into is using any type of skin protectant, any type of anything that goes before applying a glue. I'm going to be applying this wig, and if you guys are wondering where this is from, it is from this hair company right here. It's the Megalook hair company. I really do love their box packaging. They sent me this wig. It came with this pouch inside and just the wig, you know. So a little bit of details. This wig is a 13x6 wig. It is 22 inches long, body wave in its natural color. In this little pouch they did give me wig caps. I mean, most hair companies, they do give you wig caps. They give me a little headband, which is kind of cute. I love it. It's funny because they gave me pearls, like a pearl bracelet. And they also gave me an edge brush, which is really convenient, and some tweezers and a clip. Already came with a band sewn onto it, so I don't even have to do that. Only thing I did with this wig was bleach the knots, guys. Alright, now the fit is actually, let me see, the fit is not bad. It fits really snug on my head. There are no extra gaps, no bumps. It's laid pretty flat. So guys, I would literally say that this wig is about 150 density. Alright, now that I do have the wig pulled back, the next step really would be to push this back because we're going to start gluing the Insta glue on. I'm going to be using Insta glue for this video. I really do love this glue. So just to prep, I'm going to clean again. I mean, I know I put the skin protectant on, but you know, you really have to make sure it's clean. I'm going to go in with this, and I might apply about 2 layers of this glue, depending on how nice I'm feeling. Like, oh my goodness, this glue runs everywhere. You have to be careful. So I'm gonna just let this glue dry, and I'll come back with everything fully applied. I'm gonna do about 3 layers. Alright guys, so the glue is pretty much dry. I don't want it to completely dry out, so I'm going to start applying it right now. And if you guys are starting out applying wigs, please do it in sections. It's going to be so much more easy for you guys to do that. Oh god, right here, click. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to take a comb and start pressing the lace into the glue. Some parts may turn white, but it will dry clear, guys. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna take a headscarf and I'm going to apply it on the lace. And I'm gonna tie it and make sure it dries and sits there for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been sitting here for a while and I'm over it. So I'm gonna be, okay, looks the same pretty much. So now I'm gonna be taking my scissors and I'm gonna be cutting off the excess lace, because you don't want that. And you can cut it however you want. You can use a razor if it helps you. anything that makes it easier, just use that. And try to cut as close to the hairline as possible. I'm trying to make my way up to the hairline right now. Take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. There'll be my treasures. Okay guys, so I've officially cut the lace and it's looking a little bit messy because of the extra glue, but I'm really gonna go in and finesse some baby hairs at this point. I'm loving this wig. It's pretty flat. It feels like it's a mine, but because it is. Anyways, so I'm gonna go in, finesse a little bit of edges. Guys, I am running so late because I overslept, and yeah, I literally was trying to be all cute, sit and really film this video, but your girl is really running late right now. I literally hate being late. But I'm going to take out these edges. And you guys already know how I do. Like, you guys already know how I do. Going to use my little razor comb and just... I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. For the edges, I'm going to be using my foaming mousse. You guys know that this is like my #1 choice when I'm doing my edges. I sometimes use edge control, but today I'm going to go in with the mousse. Let's see if it will work for me. I'm not going to go too ham on the edges. Oh god. Alright, let's try that again. Okay, apparently I didn't cut these properly. So, one other thing, I did not pluck a lot from this wig. Which is another thing I love to do when I'm applying my wigs. I love to pluck so it looks a little bit more natural. That's like the key for me, to have like a natural looking lace application. And the thing is, at first the edges aren't gonna lay as flat, but you have to keep trying because you gotta remember it's a new wig. It's not used to this formation, so you have to keep trying. And the thing is, it looks better with time. So I love sleeping in my wigs before I have to do something important or go somewhere important. I would rather like sleep in my wig, like apply it the night before. So if you guys want to do that, that's like the best way to do this stuff. I'm only doing this right now because last night I was so tired. I'm still tired even right now, but I gotta do what I gotta do. Me, I'm the type of person, I don't really like a lot of baby hairs. Like, if I can wear my wigs without baby hairs, I would. But sometimes I do like a little something, you know? It does add a little bit of drama to the face. Like, look at that. Like, look at that. Like, look at that. And it does kind of add some shape to your face. That's another thing I love about, like, baby hairs. The shape. Sometimes I love adding, like, a middle swoop. Like, oh my god, baby girl, what are you doing? Everything. Because y'all know, like, my forehead is on hello. It's on hello. It's always invited to the party. Actually, it's never invited, but it always shows up. It's like that one person who just always shows up uninvited. Yeah, that's my forehead. So we just gotta include her because she's not gonna leave. And then at this point, we're gonna wrap this down. Always tie it down. If you guys are feeling friendly, use a paper wrap. It's like the best way to lay edges, lay a high slick ponytail. Like, paper wraps are gonna be your best friend. I'm telling you now. Don't say I never told y'all anything. The rest of the hair though, guys, I think I'm gonna leave it in a beachy wave type of way. I do love how it's looking. It's pretty long. I love it. I'll show you guys the length a little bit later. It's pretty flat, so I'm not gonna do too much. Only thing I'm gonna do is take a little water. I have a spray bottle right here. Guys, I got this spray bottle in Sally's beauty supply store, but you can get it on Amazon. They have them for like $7 on Amazon. I kind of over bleach a little, but whatever. I got this from Sally's for like $10 because, you know, Sally's is always overpriced. But you can get it on Amazon for $7. It's pretty convenient. I love the misting of it. I hate the little spray bottles that only shoot in one direction. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing, baby girl? So I'm gonna let this sit on my head for a little, and I'm gonna do my face. I'll be right back. I really did want to do my whole makeup on camera, but guys, I'm really late. Like, I cannot risk it. So I'm gonna do my face, get back to you guys, show you guys the finished look, and we lit. Alright guys, so this is how the hair is looking. It's looking pretty snatched. One thing though, guys, I love to wrap it down and just like stay in it, but because I'm rushing, this is how long it is. It's about 22 inches, so it falls by my waist. So yeah, I'm really loving this. This Megalook hair is so bomb, guys. Super duper bomb. If you're looking for a really nice body wave hair, they got you. The shirt that I'm wearing is a long sleeve shirt. I got it at Target. I'm wearing some basic white shorts. I'm not sure where these are from. They're very old, and I'm just wearing basic slides. I hope you guys really do enjoy this video. If you guys love this hair, everything will be listed down in the description box below. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and make sure to share this video with a friend who's probably looking for nice hair for the summer. And guys, make sure to check out Instaglue also. It just keeps holding me down. Just the label won't stay down. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.
So guys, I went ahead and wore this wig for about a week or two after recording, and y'all, I can genuinely say it held up so well. It didn't shed like a rare poodle. It was hella flat, and the lace sunk into my skin after wearing it for about a week. And y'all, I'm in love. If you guys are interested, make sure you click the link down in my description box to get this wig because you need it.